What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Peak Performance Engineering. I'm Brandon. Today we are at Mustang Alley. Today is the day of the Woodward Dream Cruise, so we're going to hang out here for a while with some Mustangs, and then we're going to get cruising down to Woodward in the Death Cart. Check it out. Nothing but Mustangs for almost a mile down 9 Mile Road all the way to Woodward. All right, guys, so we finally made it to the Woodward Dream Cruise 2022. Check it out. We are rocking. Me and Cash, she's got her little pimp limp going on here. Broken ankle action. So check it out. We got the Mustang in full effect. We're still waiting for Lewis. He's rolling up with the Death Cart right now. But we've got some impending rain coming in the next couple hours. Hopefully it holds off, but great turnout. Lots of cool ass cars we're seeing. It's awesome. America. Right, Cam? Let me hear you say America.
America.
We're trying to solicit burnouts. We haven't had much luck yet. Oh, there's Lewis. Dude, what's up? Yo, we got the Ghostbusters car. We just missed a sick purple ZL1 girl do a burnout. That was freaking dope. Ah, look at that puppy. Yeah. Oh, we got Jurassic Park up in here. What in the tomfuckery is this thing? For real, for real. Only on Woodward Avenue, I'm telling you guys. This is where they keep dead bodies for sure. All right, hey, let's go. Come on, bro, you gotta light them up. Come on, man. Hey, if that was the LS, you could do it. No. The closer you get to nighttime, the more burnouts that happen. Tell them. Hey, man. Come on, let's get a little burnout action going. Look, he's about to do it. He loves it, dude. He's got, you hear that thing? He's got a big cam in there, dude. Badass. Badass. We got Tesla coming. Oh shit, watch out. He's about to roll. No cops, looks good. Looks good. A little burn and roll out. Roll and burn out? Nope. Damn, nothing. Oh shit. What's coming, boys? What is that sexy machine? Could it be a bird, a plane? It's the Death Cart, bros. Let's go, bro. Line them up. Line them up. Hey, that's a nice car. Can it do a burnout?
No.
Dang.
Too heavy.
Damn it.
Gotta pop this goddamn curve.
Whoop. About to get smoked by bikers.
It's like that old expression, like
Hanging out with the Death Cart. Soul Sis, baby. Baby Lou, he's probably just straight dying in there. Born to be wild, that's awesome. Listen, only like 2 people have done burnouts. I've been here like an hour. I'm starting to get discouraged. Oh, light them up, bro. Come on. Come on. No power, no car, bro. Damn it, dude. Bros, look at this skyline. That's badass. That's a nice yellow Challenger, too. Look at this thing, bro.
Pontiac Soul Sis.
Hey, we'll tell you if you do a burnout. You gotta do a burnout, though. I want 4-wheel drive burnout. Come on, man. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's an upside down vent. Oh, damn it. You can't see it. Yes, this guy's going to do a burnout. Let's go, bro. Come on, man. Light him up, bro. You son of a bitch. Oh, damn. What the hell? What is that, bro? Is that a Senna? Alright, Dale, this video's for you, bro. There you go. Look at the sexy beach, dude. Oh, shut up! That's awesome! That's awesome. You gotta light them up. Oh! That's awesome. And it prances, dude. Alright, dude, we got. This guy's got his badass headlight thing sweet. Tesla action, 392 Sky. Maybe the Tesla will do a burnout.